Okay, now the new torque converter. I want to remind you that the older torque converter, the upgrade one, it's on the car with a used transmission for cleaning it. That means Mr. Omar here, he was changing the oil, he was flushing the oil. Well, how it ended up, this one? It's
Same.
still getting pieces out.
Yeah.
It didn't clean up, never.
It's coming like clean,
Yeah.
step by step, but still
It's-
same coming the pieces outside. You don't know this is belong to the alternator clutches or transmission clutches.
Okay, now what you did here, you put some fluid inside, still has now some fluid in, all right? You empty some fluid here, right? And we see some glitter. Put empty a little bit more, empty a little bit more there. Yeah, you see the big piece?
It look like this one. If I touch with my finger,
Yeah, see this? No, you're talking about the grease.
okay.
There is some shiny pieces. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how to proceed. Is it worth it, let us say, to open the used transmission that we installed, clean it, one fast clean to come all the garbage out, and then continue with the other transmission? It's shifting fine, or it's making
Shifting is fine, just only number 2 gets sometimes stuck. Then you turn off the car again, turn on.
the same like before?
Same like before, is not shifting, but this is shifting 5K. They push the car like a crazy, is shifting.
It's shifting.
It's shifting.
Okay, it's worth it then to get the other torque converter, take it out, see if it has any piece inside, and then put it on the rebuilt transmission.
Okay, I will ask you something when you finish the video.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
I got your point.
If it's recycling now the oil instead of transmission, and the most piece that went away, it's worth it to get the other torque converter and put it in. Anyhow, we're gonna see. We have to talk with the customer. Cover this one to don't fill something in. Yeah. Okay, small updates. We're gonna see how we're gonna continue with that. How we're gonna end up. That's it for now. Thank you. You want to add something?